Hello and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can watch video picture in picture mode. When we talk of picture in picture mode is where you can go and do other things while your YouTube video is still on and is playing as you browse. So how do you enable picture in picture mode? Now the simplest way to watch your videos on YouTube in this mode is simply to swipe on the current video that you are watching downwards. So if I do this, you can see it has gone in picture mode, and therefore I can still browse. I can even exit and go do other things on my mobile phone while the video is still playing. While in this mode, you can increase or reduce the size of the display by double tapping on it. As you can see, when I double tap on it, it widens and I have a larger screen to watch. If I want to go back to the normal size or the original size, I'll double tap on it again. And again, I can move this around on my smartphone and place it wherever I want as I continue doing other things. So if I want to exit this, I can simply tap on the X button and then it will be gone. You can also exit by just dragging and dropping to the X here, and that is it. And if you want to go back to your video, when you tap on YouTube, it will take you back to the video where it was playing. So that's how you watch videos on your YouTube picture in picture mode while doing other things. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.